as you can see, it blends in beautifully. Good morning guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to this outlet, this furniture outlet. It's Saturday, it's way too early for me on a Saturday. It's not even 9 yet. But this brand, Studio Henk, is like one of my favorite furniture brands, and they are a little bit pricey. So when I saw that they're having like this outlet 70% off, I was like jumped on it right away, because their furniture is like made to order. The quality is like top tier. Also, the way that they go about their business with regards to sustainability is like spot on. So I really support this brand, and that's why I thought, let me go check it out and see what they have. And it's a first come first serve basis, so the earlier you get there, the more options you will have, of course. So we'll see. And they sent an email about that they are expecting a lot of people, so be prepared to stand in the line. And one thing that I hate is standing in the line. So that tells you how much I love this brand, that I'm willing to do this, wake up this early, drive 40 minutes and then stand in the line probably. But we'll see. Hopefully we get some gems. I'm looking for a chair for my desk. I'm also looking for like a lounge chair for in my studio, and also like other bigger furniture. Like we need a new dining table set, we need a new couch, but I'm not sure if we'll see. If I get a good deal, maybe I'll do it, but I'm not thinking of going for big furniture pieces. Actually, now that I hear myself talking out loud, I don't know why. Actually, if you get a good deal on a big furniture piece, now is the time to do it, right? So I'm going with a mind open, with a heart open, and we'll see if I get anything. So, but before I do that, I'm going to go by McDonald's, because one, I'm craving McDonald's, like the McMuffin, and two, I'm not sure how the lines will be. I don't want to be cranky and hangry, anything of that. So let's make sure my stomach is full. We'll tackle the rest of the day. So let's go.
Ali is looming large over these tops, of course, because...
Hoi, goedemorgen. Mag ik een McMuffin, sausage en egg?
Anders nog niet.
Nee, dat was het.
Mag je doorrijden?
Dank je. It's so good. Alright, you guys, we have secured the goods. I got this beautiful chair. Like, I'm so happy with this one. I took my time. It was pretty busy, but to get in, the line went like super quickly. I didn't even stand in the line for 10 minutes. The most challenging part was the checkout line. That was like an hour, over an hour in the line. But it was so worth it. I got this beautiful chair. I'll show you guys some footage of it. It is just this beautiful wooden, like light oak chair with like a brownish leather for the part of the sitting part. It's just a combination of the materials. It's not like what I was looking for, because this was way out of my price range, so I didn't even consider getting something like this. But the moment I laid my eyes on it, I was like, this one is for me. It's just such a timeless piece that I know will be in my furniture collection for years, like 20, 30 years. That's like what I was, hoping for. So yeah, super happy with it. And I got it for like about 60% off, so that's like a good deal. So yeah, very happy with this one. So it was well worth it to wake up early in the morning and you know, stand in the line and all of that. Very happy with this piece. And, you know, piece by piece, the home is coming together. But I really, this is like what I love about the process. Like, you know, having patience in order to find gorgeous pieces like this that otherwise I wouldn't be able to afford like full price. It's well worth it. And they had quite a lot of things. I arrived at around 10 and the event started at 9. I would say like, and they do it every year. Next year I'm coming again, but I'm coming like early. So I'm like one of the first ones in the line because they have a wide selection of things. They had chairs, like multiple different types of chairs, bar stools, lounge chairs, dining chairs. They had like a lot of sofas, like big sofas as well. They had tables as well, like different sizes, different finishes, side tables, all of that, coffee tables. They had cabinets, they had lighting. So it is like well worth it to come for sure, because I'm sure that you will, if you come early at least, you will find something. If you like the brand, you will find something for sure. Not everything is like very like reduced, so you have to pay attention. Like I had the website on my phone just to, you know, check the prices and see if it is a good deal or not. Like some things were like 30% off, and 30% off you can get in the store as well, like regularly. So I wouldn't say that's worth it, but if it's like 50% off or more, then definitely. And a lot of the things were in excellent condition. Like the chair that I got, I don't see any signs of wear or tear. Like it's brand new. The only thing is that it's not in plastic. So you can find like some gems. Like I saw some tables, and I'm sad that Uti didn't come with me, because that's something like that we have to see together in order to get it. I wouldn't like get it on my own. So next year for sure, like I don't care if I have to wait another year for like to get a good dining table. I'm willing to do that in order to get like one that I really love. So yeah, I'm already planning, putting it in my calendar for next year August to come again, because there are like some really great deals. So yeah, happy with my purchase. Good morning, guys. I just woke up, took a shower, and I'm going to do my skincare, and I got some new pieces that I wanted to share with you today. First up is this micellar water. This is from Garnier. It's the micellar cleansing water, vitamin C. I've seen this all over TikTok and Instagram, and people swear by it. It's such an affordable micellar water that you can use like after you wash your face, like with a cleansing foam or a soap or whatever. I always love to go with a micellar water, especially at night after I've had makeup on. I love to go with a micellar water just to make sure to take all of the makeup off. After I let it dry for a little bit, I'll go in with this L'Oreal 5% glycolic acid peeling toner. It's also a newer product that I recently got, and I've been using it already, and it's very nice. It's very, you won't really see like any actual peeling of your skin, but it does like that very gradual peeling. It gives that peeling effect very gradually. Now I have to say that I'm missing like a physical face scrub, you know, nothing too coarse, something like very fine. I've always had that, but I didn't replace, like when I the one that I had finished up, I didn't replace it, and I'm still missing that. So that's like a product that I want to get. And then I'll go in with my regular moisturizer from Bobbi Brown. This is the vitamin enriched face base. Such a beautiful moisturizer, very thick, and it is a little bit expensive. So this one is the one that I use like when I have not a really special occasion, but I'm going out or I have a meeting with someone, or I don't know. I'm not going to waste it just for like every day, just to be in the house, or not even for work. Like sometimes I use it for work, but in general I leave it for more specialer occasions than just just lounging at home, just because it is a little bit expensive. Like for those like just lounging at home kind of days, I use the Burrata Skin Food. That's like super affordable, very moisturizing as well. So I love to alternate between like more pricey products and more affordable ones. Now, this is a new one, another new product that I got from Summer Fridays. I love this brand. Like I really love Mariana, what she's doing with the brand. I really wanted to try their sunscreen. I've tried other products from them before, like way back when the jet lag mask came out. You know, I jumped on that train, and I really love their products, so I decided to get this one. So let's see, I'm really curious to see if it will leave any white casts. I don't think so, because it says that it doesn't, so let's see. As you can see, it blends in beautifully. Like I don't see any white cast whatsoever. And it's also what I love about it, like right away, it's not greasy. Like some sunscreen can be very, very greasy on the skin, which I don't like, because then the makeup will go on and will, I don't know, cake up or whatever. So I love that this is like, it's not matte either, but it's like, it is a little bit sticky, but it's not greasy at all. So, and the most important thing to me is that it doesn't leave that white cast that some sunscreens do. So this is, it's a new favorite. All right, so the next new product is this one also from Summer Fridays. They just launched, well, they didn't just launch, but I think they added some new colors to their lip balm. This is the Lip Butter Balm, and I got it in the shade Pink Sugar. I had to like look that up because I thought pink sugar is like, I don't know, one of the ingredients, but that's like the name of the color. Very moisturizing. It doesn't really have, it has the very slightest tint to it. Nothing, like if I compare it to the one from Dior that I have, which is also like a lip balm, it has a little bit more of a tint. So the Dior one. This one is kind of very transparent. It smells divine, and it's very, very nice on the lips. So if you have like a very neutral or pinky or nude lipstick on your lips, and you want a little bit of shine and moisturizer to your lips, this is a good option for sure. Or if you want something like at night after you do your skincare, I always love to put like something on my lips as well. This is also a great option. So I'm going to do my makeup now, get dressed, and what we have to do today is do some groceries. I have this beautiful like burrata recipe that I saw on Instagram, which I want to make, especially when the weather is hot. It's like nice to have like a very fresh salad like that, and the weather is like all over the place here in the Netherlands. Like some days it's like cold, like fall, winter vibes, and then other days it's like very hot. So today is a more hotter day, so that's what I'm making. So let's tackle the day. All right, so two things just arrived that I wanted to share with you. One is this Jo Malone candle that I got. It was like a gift, like I had a gift card. What should I get? And I decided to go for a very cute small little Jo Malone candle. It is in the scent lime, basil, and mandarin. Okay, I'm not sure about the scent. I'll have to light it up and see if I like it. But I've had Jo Malone a fragrance of them before, and I really like it. I actually here this one. I really like it. It is the basil and neroli. I like it like for the spring and summer. However, it doesn't really last that long. So that's like my only critique about Jo Malone. So I'll see if the candle like really smells nice and fills up a room, and I'll report back to you. But then the other thing that I got is this coffee table book from Axel Vervoort. He is a interior designer, I think also architect, I'm not sure, but a Belgian one, and I really love his designs. It's like super wabi-sabi, like all all the vibes that I love. So yeah, I really like the vibe of this book, just as a coffee table book, but also to give me like some inspiration whenever I need it. You can see like it's all the gray, beige, dark, moody vibes. I love it. Alright, I just finished filming a video and I'm going to run to the grocery store now. I just wanted to share with you real quick what I am wearing. This is a linen shirt from Amazon Essentials. These jeans, pretty old, from Zara. I love to wear them just, casually, just because of the rips. And my loafers from Isabel Marant, and this handbag from Salmont. I think it's like very casual but still okay-ish put together to go to the grocery store. I usually don't go this dressed up to the grocery store, don't get me wrong, but because I had to film the video, I was like, okay, this outfit is not, it's actually super cute, so I'm going to keep this on. And I also wanted to share this update with you. I got this ceiling light installed. It's also a new item, so I love to, especially in this room, I love to share like everything new that I get, just so we can, design the room together. And it's just like 3 little bulbs with a very minimal, black hardware design, and it gives like a very beautiful diffused light. So yeah, I think it goes very well in this room. All right, you guys, it's many hours later, but the burrata salad was so good. Like, you guys have to try it out. I'll leave the recipe linked below. And after that, we just wind down and we watched the Amber Heard feat Johnny Depp series. Like, it's a mini series on Netflix, like recounting the whole trial and stuff. It just brought back memories. And yeah, so that's it for tonight. I'm going to do some editing just a little bit before I go to bed, and I'm going to wrap it up. This video is a little bit shorter than usual, but regardless, I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.